If I didn't love you so much, if I didn't care enough, I would have been out the door years ago. But if I didn't get you hurt, if you didn't choose me first, I would have rather been alone by myself at home. I didn't want you to take my hand, but I kinda like the thought of having a man. Now I'm so done with that. If I was a bird, I would fly out of here, forget everything, and travel the world. If I was a bird, I would spread my wings so I can jump and get away from you. If I was a bird,